Hey everybody, C5 Tour here. Today's project is to install a tow hook bar on a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. This particular model did not come with any tow hooks on the front, so I figured we needed some. And I've managed to find some online on eBay that came with all of the hardware. It was under $100, so not too bad. Pretty sturdy piece of metal here, solid steel there, at least iron. And it did come with this stud bracket on both sides. There's 3 bolts, and then the backing plate, that's for reinforcement, goes in the back of each side. The end one doesn't actually have a reinforcing plate, so it does tie these 2 frame rails together, so should make it pretty sturdy. Now this is specific to the 2006, 2007, 2008 model. A similar one was made for the other third gens, the 2003, 2004, 2005, but these 2 bolts are straight up and down and not at an angle like this, so that particular tow bar will not work for this 2006 model. So the other thing that I found, I looked online on how to remove the bumper for these 3rd gen Dodges, and everything said to take some bolts off back here, but this one does not have it. These actually, you take these off by removing these 4 bolts on each side. They're pretty easy to get to from the back, either the top or the bottom, and it comes right off. The only tricky part was disconnecting the fog lights, although this one doesn't have one. This was still connected. And then the end of the bumper actually wraps around the inner fender liner, so you got to be careful of that. This particular part will actually stick out through the opening in the bumper. I had to remove a little trim panel there that would have normally gone right here. It'll stick out there. You can see that it sticks out quite a ways, just enough for these hooks to stick out beyond the rest of the bumper. And you'll see that this particular model has a pocket right there where these where the tow hook bar will fit into, just the right shape. You'll notice it goes, that little piece will fit right in there. So to install the bumper, we're just gonna set it back on, install those 4 bolts on each side, and that's about it. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope this helps somebody that needs to install a tow hook bar on a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. Thanks.